Welcome back everyone. আমি আগৰটো ভিডিওত কি চালো we are discussing law of chemical combination. Already আমি তিনটা law চালো law of conservation of mass, law of definite proportion and law of multiple proportion. So আমাৰ দুটা law discuss কৰিবলৈ বাকি আছে. So the next law is called as Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. So gas has a definite volume. So gas কেনেকুৱা ভলিউমত combine কৰি কিনে এটা product বনাব সেই লটোকে দিয়া হৈছে Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. You read the statement. When gases combine or produced in a chemical reaction, they do so in a simple ratio by volume. All right. Provided all gases are at the same temperature and pressure. So যদি গ্যাস বিলাক সেম টেম্পারেচার আৰু প্ৰেসাৰত থাকে হিয়তে কি কৰিব এটা সিম্পল ৰেশিও বাই ভলিউম অফ প্ৰডাক্ট বনাব ফৰ এক্সাম্পল ইউ সি হাইড্ৰোজেন গ্যাস এন্ড ক্লোরিন গ্যাস when they reacted when they combine produce hydrogen chloride HCl so ইয়াত আমি কি গম পাম so one volume of hydrogen combined with one volume of chlorine gas to produce what two volume of HCl gas. So here that a simple ratio maintain korise 1:1. So this is called as Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. So we'll see a question. When 100 ml of CH4 burns means it is also a combustion reaction. CH4 methane burns to produce ki produce koribo carbon dioxide and water. Find volume of oxygen required. Oxygen moi kiman dibo lagibo reaction to solibole ei combination reaction to successful hobole mok oxygen kiman lagibo and carbon dioxide produce aru carbon dioxide kiman produce hobo so all are gaseous species except H2O liquid so moi H2O bikhoye beshi chinta ami nokoru will consider only the gaseous species so you see one volume it is one volume of methane react with one volume of oxygen and produces one volume of carbon dioxide. All right. So that means it is jodi 10 ml thake oxygen mok 10 ml lagibo carbon dioxide moi kiman pam 10 ml pam when 100 ml CH4 it is jodi 100 ml thake mor sorot 100 ml methane ok kiman oxygen lagibo reaction koribole exactly 100 ml because they follow the ratio of 1:1 aru carbon dioxide produce kiman koribo 100 ml so this is the very simple question so it requires 100 ml oxygen gas and it will produce 100 ml carbon dioxide gas all right this question is very important you see find the amount of unreacted nitrogen gas when 60 ml nitrogen gas and 60 ml hydrogen gas combines to form ammonia gas. What does mean by this word unreacted nitrogen gas? So jetia duta chemical combine kori kine eta product banabo moi eta specific amount lom je I have taken A plus B to get a product. So I have taken A 50 ml and B 100 ml. So yet etu enekwa nohoy je 50 ml of A is completely react and B 100 ml will be completely reacting. It's not like that. 50 ml A completely reaction of participate koribo but B 100 ml completely participate no koribo pare. Say the product to pabole 80 ml B is sufficient enough. So obviously 80 ml of B will react with 50 ml of A. That means I have taken B as 100 ml. I have reacted only 80 ml. So baki jitu 20 ml asil they will not react. So this is the unreacted amount. All right. Now how will you do this? Ami etu keneke kori. So here you will get a new concept. All right. Find the amount of unreacted nitrogen gas when 60 ml nitrogen gas and 60 ml hydrogen gas. Nitrogen aru hydrogen e combine kori kine ki banabo ammonia banabo. So these two I have used to balance this reaction because nitrogen duta ase I have to put a coefficient of 2 2 coefficient to diute hydrogen kiman ta hoy goise 6. So here I need 3. All are gaseous species. All right. So now we apply Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. So you see the ratio 1 volume nitrogen combined with 3 volume hydrogen. All right. And it produces 2 volume of ammonia. So the ratio is 1:3. Ratio of nitrogen and hydrogen for the production of ammonia gas is 1:3. Now if I have 60 ml of nitrogen gas, jodi moi 60 ml nitrogen gas low, yak jodi moi 1 ml low, yak kiman lagibo 3 volume, 3 times more, 3 ml, 60 ml lole mok kiman lagibo 180 ml. But you see, do I have 180 ml of hydrogen gas? No, I have only 60 ml of hydrogen gas. All right. So this approach will not work here. আমি অকমান approach to কি কৰিব লাগিব, change কৰিব লাগিব. All right. Because nitrogen মই গোটেইখিনি যদি ইউজ কৰিব খোজো মোক হাইড্ৰোজেন লাগিব 180 ml যেটো মোৰ ওচৰত নাই. So it is the hydrogen which is limiting this reaction. All right. So সেই কাৰণে হাইড্ৰোজেনৰ নামটো কি হ'ব, limiting reagent. So in the next class আমি এই বিষয়ে ভালকে কনসেপ্টটো চাম. This is called limiting reagent. All right. This is a very nice concept. So we will see in the next classes. All right. But right now we will solve the question. আমি এটা অকমান approach to change কৰিম. All right. So আমি এটা কি কৰিব লাগিব, মই যদি কথাটো অকমান উল্টাকে ভাবো. All right. So 3 volume of hydrogen requires 1 volume of nitrogen. Let's say I have 3 ml of hydrogen. Mok tetia nitrogen kiman lagibo, only 1 ml. Etia mor sor hydrogen ase 60 ml. 60 ml jodi hydrogen ase mor sorot, obviously 1/3 of 60 ml mok lagibo. That means 20 ml. Mok nitrogen kiman lagibo, 20 ml lagibo. Aru ammonia kiman dibo, ammonia kiman dibo mok, jodi nitrogen moi 1 low, etu moi 2 pao, that means 40 ml. All right. Now you see, so this is the actual amount of the reactant. So I have 60 ml nitrogen gas, but I am using 20 ml only. So amount of unreacted nitrogen kiman hobo, mor sorot asil 60 ml, moi use korisu only 20 ml, it will be 60 minus 20 ml, that is 40 ml. All right. And what is the amount of the product? It will be 40 ml ammonia. So I hope you have understood this question. All right. So this question is very, very important. So the last law of chemical combination is called as Avogadro's law. It will ki koy, equal volume of all gases at the same temperature and pressure should contain equal number of molecules. All right. So you see, gases occupy the volume of the container. Jodi moi 100 ml eta container loisu, tat moi 100 ml loke gas bhorabo parim. 1 liter lole 1 liter loke parim. So I have 3 beaker, 100 ml beaker. Yat moi eta gas bhoraisu, hey gas to 100 ml volume to occupy kori lobo. Jodi tat jodi number of mole x thake, let's say this is hydrogen gas. Etu jodi 100 ml beaker hoy, moi yat bhoraisu oxygen gas. Yato number of molecule kiman hobo, x, according to Avogadro's law. Let's say yat moi bhoraisu etia nitrogen gas. Yato amount kiman hobo, it will be x. So that means irrespective of the type of the gas, if equal volume of gases at the same temperature and pressure, they will contain the same number of molecule. Okay. So let us see a question about this. 100 ml methane gas, say y number of molecule. All right. Teti hole 100 ml carbon dioxide gasot kiman thakibo, exactly y. according to Avogadro's law. Then you tell me 100 ml carbon dioxide gasot jodi Y molecule thake 50 ml carbon dioxide gasot kiman thakibo 100 means 50 means 100 or adha, so it will be Y by 2. Again 100 ml nitrogen gas, so Avogadro's law, again it will contain Y number of molecule. So 200 ml of nitrogen gas, that means kiman hobo 200 means 2 into 100, so it will be 2Y. ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি এটা কথা গম পাব পাৰো, if you see volume of the gas is directly proportional to number of particle. Yes or no? তোমালোকে নিজেই চাব পাৰিবা, যিমানে নাম্বাৰ অফ পাৰ্টিকল বেছিকৈ আছে সিমানে ভলিউমটো বাঢ়ি গৈছে, যদি নাম্বাৰ অফ পাৰ্টিকল কমিছে ভলিউমটো কমি গৈছে. So this is the law. All right, so this is all about laws of chemical combination. So we have 5 laws: law of conservation of mass, law of definite proportion, law of multiple proportion, Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume, and at last Avogadro's law. So these 5 laws এই পাঁচটা লয়ে নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰে যে কেমিকেল বিলাকে কেনেকৈ কম্বাইন কৰি কিনে আমাক প্ৰডাক্ট বিলাক দিব, whether it is a liquid species or gaseous species or solid species. যে তিনটা স্টেজ থাকিব পাৰে নহয়, solid, liquid, gas. So that does not matter, these 5 law will handle all this. All right, so in the next class we will discuss some certain concept. So আমি এতিয়ালৈকে কি চালো, we have discussed mole concept, law of chemical combination. So we will discuss some new concept about stoichiometric calculation. This is very important from your board point of view as well as your entrance point of view. All right, and secondly we will see the concept of, আজি আমি এটা কোৱেশ্যনত পালো, limiting reagent, and the most important thing is we will discuss about various concentration term. So our upcoming class bilakot we will discuss about all this. So all this included in the chapter some basic concepts of chemistry. So all right, so take care everyone, stay tuned, we will come back to you in the next class.